This is why I created Board as a Service. Think of it like a board with training wheels. It's designed to be as nimble as your business is. Instead of 1 or 2 stagnant directors, you get access to 5 successful executives who are all sitting on multiple boards. If your business has reached $1 million in revenue, or 3 million or 5, you've probably noticed something frustrating. The fast-paced, high-energy growth of the early days has disappeared. What used to be a fun adventure has turned into a daily slug. You're putting out fires, your staff are arguing, you're over-reliant on 1 or 2 clients, and it feels like the business can only grow as far as you can personally carry it. You've reached the founder's plateau. I'm going to show you why the solution to this isn't hiring more staff or working more hours. It involves a single structural change used by every multi-billion-dollar company on earth, but ignored by 99% of small business owners. I'm going to show you how to install a grown-up infrastructure that lets you 10x your business while actually doing less of the day-to-day work. Over the last 30 years as an entrepreneur myself, and the last decade helping over 100 companies go public, I've seen a reoccurring pattern. There are roughly 330 million for-profit businesses in the world. Do you know how many of them have an active functioning board of directors? Less than 1%. Now look at every company you admire. Apple, Tesla, the local firm that just got acquired for 500 million. They all have one thing in common. They have a board. So why don't you? Most entrepreneurs avoid boards because they think they're expensive, slow, and restrictive. They think a board is a group of suits who will tell them what they can't do. They think a board is a burden for a dynamic small business. But that's exactly why you're stuck at your current revenue level. You're trying to be the CEO, the COO, the head of strategy, and the fire extinguisher all at once. To get to 10 million and beyond, you don't need more employees to manage. You need a board to help you lead. The reason you haven't built a board is because the traditional model is broken for small businesses. You don't want to be locked into equity deals or long-term contracts with directors who might not be able to keep up with your pace. This is why I created Board as a Service. Think of it like a board with training wheels. It's designed to be as nimble as your business is. Instead of 1 or 2 stagnant directors, you get access to 5 successful executives who are all sitting on multiple boards. Key here is flexibility. If you're currently looking to raise capital, you need board members with capital raising experience. Once that money is in the bank and you want to expand into Asia or America, those capital raisers might not be the right fit anymore. With Board as a Service, you can swap them out. You bring in the experts you need for the specific mountain you're climbing right now. It's a monthly engagement, no equity locks, no years of legal commitment. If it's not working, you give 30 days notice and walk away. We've even added a 90-day free trial because we know that once a founder experiences the power of a real board, they never want to go back to being a solopreneur at the $1 million level. I've been running Veblen Director program for 4 years, and I've seen time and again how shocked founders are by the value that a growth board can provide. When you're a small, fast-growing business, a single introduction can change your entire trajectory. One introduction to a major client or a strategic investor can save you years of hustling. One bit of knowledge from someone who's already taken a company to 100 million can prevent you from going down a path that would have cost you your business. The directors we provide aren't there to collect a paycheck. They are there because helping companies grow is fun for them. They have the network, they have the battle scars, and they have the inside access that you need. Your growth and success opens other doors for them. It's aligned self-interest. The whole goal of the board is to get you that knowledge and those introductions at the exact moment you need them. It turns your slug of a business back into a fun, fast-growing asset. What is the actual difference between a 1 million company and a 100 million company? It's the founder's ability to extricate themselves from the operational day-to-day. In my other business, Unity Group, we help small companies go public and do acquisitions. We've seen it hundreds of times. The founders who succeed are the ones who stop thinking like managers and start thinking like owners. Managers worry about staff arguments and client emails. Owners worry about capital allocation, acquisitions, and joint ventures. But you can't make that mental shift while you're buried in the weeds. You need a growth board to help you focus and free your mind to think about the big moves that actually move the needle. Board as a Service will provide you with an exceptional board that helps you scale to a size where you're ready for the big leagues. When Board as a Service is successful, it will tee you up to meet with the team at Unity Group that can then help you to get ready to go public or expand internationally or build towards $1 billion market cap. And that's where things start to get really fun. If you've already hit at least 1 million in revenue and you feel the plateau coming, don't wait until the fun has completely disappeared from your business. go to the link in the description or the pinned comment and check out Board as a Service. We're currently offering a 90-day free trial to qualified businesses because we want to prove to you that a board isn't a burden, it's the engine that helps you 10x from where you are today. And if you're an aspiring entrepreneur watching this, remember, the most successful businesses are built with this structure from day one. Don't build a job for yourself. Build a company that is worthy of a board. I'm Callum Laing. Let's get you the access you need to scale. I'll see you in the next video.